Welcome to Acrylicious Arts and Crafts by Tatiana. Welcome to ColourArte Spring Educational Event Abundance of Color, where 16 talented ColourArte affiliate artists will be presenting their educational videos. Each affiliate artist will be drawing a lucky winner from the viewers who comment, subscribe, and like their channel and the video. By participating, you will have a chance to win a set of Vivid Intense fluorescent paints by ColourArte, valued at $75. And since there are 16 artists and 16 videos that you gotta comment and subscribe to, you have pretty much 16 chances to win a channel prize. So the chances are pretty good. There is also a chance to win a $400 grand prize, a shopping spree at ColourArte. Read the details in the description. So I'm gonna start with the background. For the background color, I have a custom kind of peachy pink shade, and it's based on Amsterdam TW white mixed with Vivid Intense High Flow acrylics by ColourArte. So, starting off with the background, of course. I'm going to tilt it as much as possible to make sure that the middle part is all covered. So many bubbles. I just mixed the background color, so that's why there's a bunch of bubbles here. You can use a hair dryer to spread the background color. A spatula, whatever works best for you. Torch the bubbles. Alright, so and for the color, since this is an abundance of color event by ColourArte, I want to go with bright colors, and I just received fluorescent colors of Vivid Intense acrylics by ColourArte, so I will be using those because they're super bright, and a couple of other shades. I will start with red opal Vivid Intense paint here. This is going to be my first layer. It doesn't have to be perfect because the colors will mix together. It's just an outline. Then I'm gonna go with the darkest color that I thought might look pretty awesome with the fluorescent paints. This is Indigo Blue Black, Vivid Intense High Flow. I'm gonna do this on top. Again, it doesn't need to be perfect. Okay. Next, I'm gonna go with Fluorescent Blue Green. think I'm gonna use Fluorescent Coral, such an awesome shade. Probably my favorite of all the fluorescent pinks that are in the series. Let's clean the mess a little bit. Okay. Then I'm gonna go with fluorescent pink, super bright. Now I'm gonna go with Gold Opal Vivid Intense. It's basically interference gold paint. Fluorescent Yellow. I don't know what's gonna happen, honestly. It's gonna be a crazy painting, crazy dashboard, sure. I'm excited, I think it's gonna be awesome. Okay. Yeah, basically we're done with the colors. A little bit more of the gold on top of the yellow, just in a couple places. And we're taking our background color and flooding. Be generous, not too much. So we want our dashboard to glide and not get stuck. Happened to me many times. Let's torch some bubbles. Okay. Woo! Wish me luck. This is, by the way, this is a travel size hair dryer, Berta by Berta, and it has a cool air feature and the slower and faster speed. Okay, let's go. trying to make kind of a flowery shape here. Huh. Okay, not bad. Wow, look at those cells. I'm gonna make a close-up right now. Let me just make sure I'm happy with all the shapes. Did I make it worse? Okay, now we gotta wait for a couple days for the whole color to dry until we can start on the texture. The Dutch pour is finally dry, so I can start on my texture. For most of the Dutch pour, I decided to not mix anything with the gel because I really love the colors of the pour, and I just don't want them to disappear under anything else. But I will add a little something on my focal point, so please keep watching. So I'm gonna speed this process up because it's pretty much the same action. I'm just doing those petals all over the Dutch pour. This time I went with larger petals than I usually do. I wanted them to be wider but thinner than usual. For the focal point, the kind of a flowery shape in the middle, I decided to do two colored petals. The first one will be with fluorescent pink and the other one will be with fluorescent yellow mixed with the Nova gel. And it's important to mix the color with the gel really well. I'm starting with the fluorescent yellow first, and basically I'm doing the same thing as I did with the transparent petals, and just trying to make kind of a flower in the middle with those two colors. Here's the secret phrase coming up. first I was cleaning my palette knife right after I used one color, but then I decided that I'm not gonna do that because it actually mixes the pink and the yellow together and creates this cool orange color as well. See this baby up close. It looks really cool already, and all we gotta do now is to wait for it to dry. So here's the final result in the daylight. Those beautiful cells here. Flower here that glows under the black light, and those branches too. This is my favorite part here. Beautiful. And those fluorescent paints are amazing. Look how bright they are, pigmented. Stunning. So yeah, here's the result in the daylight. Here it is under the black light. Look how fun it is. Amazing. Yay! Well, thank you everyone for watching this video. I'm currently working on a recipe and the method to get this kind of lacing on your Dutch boards. Keep an eye on my social media channels. The link is in the description for all my social media platforms that I use, and I will be of course announcing when the guide will be released, so stay tuned. And good luck to everyone who participates in the educational event and who's gonna try and win the shopping spree by ColourArte, and to everyone who will be participating and trying to win a channel prize. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. Thank you.